guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to a waterfall nearby in this area, and this area is like totally village and farm, and the nearby store is 2 hours in a van. So today is our off day, so we'll be going out and like go to the market, get some stuff for the whole week, and also go to the waterfall and like just chill because today we don't have anything to do. So yeah, that's it. Let's go with me. Long journey to the waterfall. And finally everyone's super tired and we're almost there and we're gonna swim.
Yep.
I think we're at the waterfall.
Fancy, yeah, to the bathroom.
Oh wow. So this is the place. Oh, not bad. This is the bathroom for changing and stuff. Let's check out this place a little. So it's like, I don't know what to say. It's like a pond. And oh, I think a river is flowing over there. I can see people swimming, and it's like a picnic spot or something. And I heard there's a waterfall, like we have to walk a little, but for foreigners, like for us, it will be 200 baht. So to go to the main waterfall, we have to pay 200 baht because we are foreigners, and that's very sad. So we're not going, I think, right? We're just gonna swim here in the small river. Yeah, we're gonna sit here. It's a good place. It's like a picnic spot. You can sit. There's like food stalls over there. Yeah. A place like this. We have to walk on the stones and then go the other side. She could not jump. Okay, so we're gonna go that side. The water looks more like clean and fresh. The water is so shallow, but it's so cold.
It feels nice.
Yes, it feels nice. In the shallow, shallow. In the shallow. Shallow, shallow. There's the waterfall.
So cold.
So cold, right? Wow. Well, this is fun. It is pretty cool. Enjoying the water. It's so cold. I'm still not able to like go down fully. These guys are already enjoying, but I feel so cold. But I'm gonna enjoy here. Bye. We just finished swimming and we came out and changed our clothes. The water was so cold and so fresh, so refreshing time. And now I think we're gonna find something to eat. Some people are already eating. Let's see. I'm not so hungry, but let's see. These people already eating without us. They didn't invite me. They're already eating without us. Come to our villa.
Oh, this is so cute.
There was sweet, there was not sweet.
They're eating somtam. Yummy.
ถูกมากคือจะบาท
50 baht.
That's so cute. We're gonna go now and do some shopping for the week. Hey guys, we're in Lotus right now. We came here to buy some stuffs and supplies for the whole week. I'm so sleepy and I'm gonna buy a few things and we're gonna go home now.